Umitrang ba ka jelau konat ke sangma mantakasngi lawan Kynduh ya ulat ke jelau su ya ji ya shankar halok baban silong ban pentip halo ke jinglong jiman harium karu keblami ke jingikan at hagini sngi habakran siklat pai ke bor hadin brai Kynduh ya ulat ke jelau Conrad waong bol de pentip ya ulat mensua da ke Phun ha ke bol budang don ha karu his bat mental wan ye Kynduh da ke met rengkat usembut jang ba pestun tensong ban ye thu bnia ya ke jinglong jiman ha karu his long ba jing suk wan phai biang harum karo hari ni singi wala gedang don gi jingjia khndet khansoi hang ni hang tai ha ka juk apol ong ba tip ya jing don gi ba sha kem halo ka jingjia ha karo his batang usp wala ban ai jing tip halo ka ni ha ka tayo ba dep karum karo ka mi ka jing kan at haden ba don ka jing ki persya ya ka jing yo simbenta ki ba jela ni non tribal sya ka election ha ka karo his autonomous council.
Um, I was uh, for most of the last 2 weeks. I was in Garo Hills, and as we are all aware, that there were different situations and different law and order situations that happened, and which required my full attention. So I was there in Garo Hills, and all this while I was only able to communicate with Honorable Governor on the phone, and therefore I felt it appropriate that I must come and brief him along with Deputy CM in charge home about the current prevailing situation, especially in Garo Hills. Also the different incidents that led to the different law and order situations that we faced. So a complete briefing on the entire matter was given to the Honorable Governor, and that was my basic purpose of visit today.
Sir, what did the governor say?
Number one, Governor has, after I briefed him, so he was of course much more aware about what happened, and so the briefing was basically, just as I said, a briefing on the law and order situation. Regarding the arrest, see, we'll be very clear on this. It is purely police department's responsibility, and based on whatever evidence and whatever rules that are there, the police will take action. I'm not aware of how many arrests have been made. I'm not aware of who all been arrested. It's a pure police matter, and the police is taking steps as per law and as per evidence. So I think the SP there will be in a better position to reply to that, the different SPs, but those details are not ready.
Has the situation improved in Garo Hills, sir?
In terms of the violence and the different incidents have come down. There are some sporadic incidents that are there once in a while. Violence has come down, but we are keeping a close watch to ensure that there is normalcy should return. To a large extent, it has returned. To a large extent, people are now getting on with their day-to-day lives. To a large extent, as I said, even after assessing the situation, the internet ban also has been lifted. So these are signs of some sort of normalcy returning. But we are carefully monitoring the situation.